Welcome to AEHelp.com's IELTS test preparation strategies. I'm here to tell you not to use the word thing or stuff in the speaking and writing sections, as many candidates do this, and it lowers their band scores. I want to give you tips on what you should do so that you can get those nice high band 8s and band 9s. At this point, you might be wondering, what's wrong with the word thing? People use it all the time. Well, simply put, the word thing has zero value for the listener. It just means that you're referring to some situation or some kind of a noun, maybe some object, but it's extremely vague. University professors like to put the comment, "What thing?" when they see this word in essays. This word brings down your lexical resource mark both in your writing and in your speaking sections. The reason being is that you are using the word thing to replace other nouns. Of course, the word stuff is even worse because it's like a slang for the word thing. So you should practice avoiding the use of these words. Let me tell you what to do instead so that you can get those high lexical resource marks and improve your coherence and overall performance for both the speaking and the writing sections. Whenever you find yourself using the word thing, either in your communication or in your writing, stop immediately and think to yourself, what should I do instead? Basically, there are three categories of nouns that you must keep in mind. There are specific noun, subjective noun, and pronoun. Pineapple, tropical fruit, it. Always find the best noun so that you have the greatest level of clarity. Another example of a specific noun, a subjective noun, and a pronoun would be like Ferrari, sports car, it. Let me give you an example. Say I'm talking to my friend, and my friend asks me, "You were shopping yesterday. What were you shopping for?" And I say, "Well, I was shopping for some things." Okay, that really doesn't say much. At this point, my friend is still thinking, okay, so what are you telling me, right? So in this case, I can use a more specific noun. I can say, I was shopping for some food. And that's great. Now, my friend knows that I'm shopping for food and not electronics or clothes or other items. It's clearer communication. However, if I want to do my best, I should tell my friend exactly what I was shopping for and use exact nouns. So I can say, well, yesterday I was shopping for some frozen pizza as well as produce like carrots and some beef and eggs. Now, my friend has absolute clarity on what I was looking to buy. This is what you should do. Notice how much more lexical resource I'm using in this case. Okay, so you're thinking, yeah, that's fair, and I do this, but how do I catch myself? Let me give you some tips. Before we continue, if you're liking these tips and you want to get all of our amazing strategies to give yourself the best chance to get those high band scores, visit our website and join up for our premium package and use this discount code, BetterNouns25, for a 25% discount and get access to all of our videos, lessons, exams, and interactive course. But use the code quickly, as this code will expire February 28, because nothing lasts forever. Now, let's continue. Especially when learning English, the word thing or stuff are enemy number one because these are cheap shortcuts to avoid using the best noun possible that you should be learning for that context. So when you're communicating, if you're not sure, get help from your listener if possible, or use your phone to look up a better word. This will greatly improve your communication skills in both speaking and writing. It's not always easy to be on the ball, meaning focused on what you're saying, and it's easy to slip in the word things, especially when other vocabulary is not coming to mind. Here are a couple of steps to help you eliminate the word things and stuff from your communication. First of all, visualize what you're going to say. When you're telling someone about your shopping experience, picture the items that you're looking at or that you were buying, and then refer to them specifically. Visualize the nouns, and that will enable you for more specific selection of vocabulary. Also, when you're practicing your speaking for the IELTS exam, record yourself. Listen back. Anytime you use the words thing or stuff in your communication and you hear that in the recording, think about, okay, what words should I have or could I have used instead of the word thing? Then repeat that answer. Crystallize the information. Take a look at these examples of Band 9 students who avoid the use of the words things and stuff and use more exact nouns to clearly express themselves.
Why not?
Yes, as I have just mentioned, this is very true. The brain requires a lot of blood and nutrients to function well.
I would make some delicious kadhi bari with litti with my special naan bread.
Before you rush off with this great tip to improve your band score and eliminate the word thing from your vocabulary, remember, this word has some very close cousins that are just as bad. Something, nothing, any word containing thing can often be avoided. So instead of using these words, speak more clearly and choose better nouns and better words. Good luck the next time you sit your IELTS exam. See more videos, get our apps, our practice exams, and our premium IELTS package at aehelp.com. Begin your success today.